How to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to erase all your online data and start over once again. Now before doing this procedure, if you have any of the important documents or file or data, then make sure to back it up. Otherwise, when you actually erase all of these, this isn't able to restore it once it is deleted. So once you've done it, so what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on the link, and you want to change the link so that you could change it. So erase the link to the apps, and then type in /Purge Company. When you type in that information, it will take you to this page where you just have to go ahead and read the information and click if you agree, type yes, type that, and then click the OK button. Now that you've done it so, your data has been erased. However, if your account is 60-day old, then you need to start a new subscription. So in order to start a new one, you need to click the gear icon from the top right inside corner of your screen. Then go to your company, underneath select account and settings. As you do it, so here you'll be able to see this sort of page when you just go ahead and click on billing and subscription. Once you go to billing and subscription, you want to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and this way you'll be able to get the new one. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.